Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your wish list public. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're adding things to your wish list, but then just realize that it's private. How do you actually make this public so that you can share it to others and so that they can also order things for you from your wish list? So either way, guys, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to do this is that you're going to go ahead and access your wish list. And then you're going to reach a window that looks like this. On the left hand side, you can see all of the different wish lists that are attached to your account. Let's go ahead and access this private wish list here. And now this is the really important step, guys. In order to actually make this public, you're going to click on more and then click on manage list and then scroll down to where it says privacy and then change this to public and then click on save changes. So now you've actually made this wish list public, but that is essentially the best and easiest way that I know of and actually how to do this. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.